Is grass cutting season. So, like most guys and gals, I got a buddy who's got some bad tires and has to have them off the rim. Well, they don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you the easiest way to take these off. Now, when you normally remove these, you take a couple screwdrivers, a couple beers later, and fighting with it and throwing it across the yard. Well, what I got here alleviates that totally. So, first thing you gotta do, get yourself a bolt that's really long, that's relatively close to the size of the shaft. If you don't have one, go to a hardware store or pick a round piece of random metal. Second, put it in here. There you go, covers off. Simple. So, you break it down. Everybody knows how to do that. You just take it, hammer it, whatever way possible you got with your feet. Now put her on here. Take your vice grips. You put it right in this lip right here. Right here. Lock it down. Tight as you can get that sucker. Now, get yourself a bar, crowbar, whatever you got. Another bolt, screwdriver, as long as you got, whatever you got long. Put it in place like so. There you go. Right there. Ooh, that's got some kind of gooky stuff in it. But fix the flat stuff. That stuff's nasty. And there you go. Okay, that's all that crud in there. That stuff's nasty. I'm going to tell them about that. So that's all it takes for you to take off a rim on your lawnmowers, snow blowers, or your rototillers, or your little wagons, or your generators. That's all it takes, guys. So that's all I got for this episode. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button if you would, please. Later.